Hi everyone, this is the day 16 of Zoom Marathon Challenge. I'm Naveen Kumar, and today I will talk about a little bit of why we should use Context API, a topic. Uh, this is the topic today's, and it is kind of Context API is kind of a is a hook, by the way, that comes that is provided by the React to user, where we can use, and how why we should use it, and why it is important to uh, use. So so question is, first is, what is context API? It is a hook, by the way, that is provided by the React to uh, hook it. And context API is basically used for uh, used it is basically used we use to avoid the props drilling uh, when we pass. If we don't use it, we can we have to, then we have to pass the use state value and as a props again and again, and it goes through each component, and I had to pass, which is very lengthy process. And because of the error of any human, will it will lead to might end up to lead an issue in the application of React. So that, I think, to just avoid the human error, we can simply just use context API in a very in three phases. That is CPC, that is the creation, provider, and third is the consume. So first is when we create the context API and assign it as a variable, and, and export it inside the component, as a component where we wanted to wrap our entire application. And it will help to it will help to basically to the entire component to pass any data that we want as a value. We don't need to struggle that much. And and in between these process, I think the process of passing the props again and again to each component, just to nest just to reach the desired goal, which is the nested component. It will help to avoid those. That is how the basically context API is working. It helps to avoid the props really. So with this, I'm gonna wind up this video. Thank you.